check it out now, y'all. I got some tires put on my wheels, baby. I'm hyped, low-key. Thanks, fucking Dr. Shawnee over here with the front on some tires. Ooh, 20 by 9s with 235 by 30s stretched on that motherfucker, boy. How do y'all think that's gonna look? We're finna find out later. Thermostat gasket's just about dry. Put a new one of them in. New radiator hose. All of that. We're gonna see if the battery's still good, see if it leaked at all. In the old charger.
Alright, try it.
Oh my god, nothing.
Nothing at all?
Nothing at all. Not a light, not a ding, nothing. You gonna test the battery?
The battery had 1 volt in it.
Battery's dead as a doornail.
We need to start your Mustang.
Let's start the old Mustang to jump the Charger. Oh boy, things have changed fairly quickly. Just enough for each. This old girl might even honestly need some starting fluid. Yeah. Let's see what she does.
First, before I even take that
Still
off.
nothing. You get any spark at all? Cables are junk.
Still not getting spark.
Yeah, them cables are junk.
It's working?
No, I said them cables are junk. We're talking high power, big battery units.
The charger's vibrating right now, though. Or is that through the ground?
That's through the ground. I felt it earlier too. My fucking Mustang rumbling, baby. Well, to go get mom's. My Mustang fitting to run out of gas where it's at. Trying to jump this old ye-ho Charger. The ye-ho Charger. Boy over there in mom's driveway coming back with the jumper cables on the ye-ho Redline Proline Pro. 2011 Redline Proline Pro. 2011 Redline Proline Pro. Redline Proline Pro. I don't even know why I'm still recording.
Me neither.
She tried. We'll give it a minute.
A few minutes later.
It's dark in this fool. He hit her with a little. Oh. Yo. Chill.
I'll give her a little bit.
No, you don't want to do that. That bitch will catch on fire.
But I just gave it while it's about to start. It needs a little bit more. You hear that thing? It wants
Go ahead, try it. There she is. There she is. That bitch sounds good. Yeah, I guess we are just supposed to be looking for lakes.
I'm a little scared about this radio. Like when I let go, look how.
What about that?
That was there when you.
Okay, alright, good.
But look at the water in that. I don't see nothing. Nothing coming out of the teeth water net.
But let your finger go.
It's just from it. Like it's not close, but this is wobbling, you know?
Yeah.
That's what's just a little sketchy.
So what do you think? A zip tie?
I said a zip tie because you wouldn't have to drill a hole. But if you want to do it properly, we got to drill the top and bottom hole.
We are Elk Millabillies.
Don't make sure the exhaust isn't pointing near anything scary.
Would you look at that?
Look at that side. The other side looks good.
Oh yeah.
What was that?
I have no idea.
Was that from the cars? Trying to look this shit?
Yeah. Everybody heard the noise, nobody knows what the noise was. No, it's good.
I can see the views leaving the garage.
Oh yeah, I was getting choked out in there.
That big block is fucking...
Alcohol falling out the freezer. You gonna drink it? You won't. No balls. No balls.
I'm not drinking.
No balls. It's cinnamon.
I haven't
Bro.
even ate today. You asked me
It's
for...
a shot.
And I'll be drunk off a shot.
Glad that's on camera.
Good. Didn't I just tell you today I'm never drinking?
Oh my God, it is ignorant in there.
Help me
It
back.
takes your breath away. No leak? Smoking something off of. Oh my God. What's smoking? Yeah, it's like by the headers on this side.
This side or
That side.
this side?
Yeah, look at it.
I can't tell where that's coming from. It looks maybe like the valve cover. Look at it.
Well, shut her down. Now look at it. She's smoking like an old whore.
Dude, I gotta get out of that model.
Look at it. From here, just look.
I see that. It's fucking. I'm high as hell right now.
Let it cool down. Let it fucking fumigate out of here. And then we're gonna come back to it. Jesus Christ.
Look, he got the clearance.
I know, he definitely could fucking...
Yo, he could definitely pull it off.
That's funny as shit.
Like, look, it's just.
Bro, I love the color
If
of
the
these
fender was all the way up,
motherfuckers.
he wouldn't even have to worry about it.
I love the color of them, bro.
Yeah. They're the same color as your rims on your Mustang.
Hey, yeah, that's funny as shit.
I mean, look at it. It's literally the same color.
That's ignorant. That's ignorant. This is our first look, mock-up of what it's gonna look like. Let's see if I can get an angle from the front. I'm hyped to drop it.
Josh, get me the big ratchet.
The big ratchito.
Should get down low with it. Show the rotors.
Jesus Christ. A lot of pressure on it.
Right to the left.
No shit. What the fuck?
Whenever you're ready.
Come on, guy.
I'm trying not to slam it, cause
Just slam that fucking thing. Get down low with it, Josh.
Mm-mm.
I know.
I need to get the whole thing.
Unreal. Wait, there's no way that's it. That's all it is?
Uh-huh.
It ain't going no lower?
well, you didn't adjust the shock shed, did you?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
It looks good though.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the rear though. Tooted.
10 times better. I'll tell you right now, we ain't worrying about no motherfucking clearance.
Probably not. Get that socket.
If we worry about clearance, it's that little corner right there on bumps, and I will chop that bitch off with a hacksaw. I swear to Jesus.
'66. C hard.
I've been all on my grind, gotta go and get mine. No, I'm one of a kind, I'll be there in no time. All this shit in my head, feel like I'm losing my mind. Gotta get